The COSTWAY Chest Freezer. If you choose to go with the COSTWAY chest freezer, you might find yourself storing it in the garage until you need it, rather than stuffing it with your favorite foods for year-round use. The COSTWAY is more like a thermoelectric cooler, with a lot of the bells and whistles of a full-size, freestanding chest freezer. The slick, shiny silver and black design has two toughest steel hide handles for easy transport, two front-locking clasps to help form a seal between the lid and the base, and ball chains clamped to the inner lid to keep it from falling back against the cabinet. COSTWAY includes unique versatility features with a deep-coated rust-resistant removable basket and an aluminum no-heat shelf above the compressor, which holds up to 15 12-ounce beer or soda cans. Going to the beach for a day or a weekend? Choose between the freezer or refrigerator functions. The COSTWAY LCD one-touch single-temperature adjustment screen built into the front of the beautiful base has features which let you select a standard min-to-max function for sodas, salads, and sandwiches, or -0.4 to -50 degree cold freeze and fast freeze functions for exact temperature control. Buttons on the LCD control panel also include battery protection, compressor speed, and a light, which switches on a bright internal LED light to access your goodies in the darkest of campground nights, or if you choose to temporarily go off the grid. Don't let the size worry you about sound and performance. The whisper quiet 45 dB compressor falls into the quietest spectrum of sound and is no louder than a soft conversation. One touch of the battery protection button alerts the COSTWAY to your specific low, medium, and high settings, which keeps the freezer from surging. COSTWAY uses 70 watts, can be plugged into a standard 110-volt household outlet or your car's 12-volt battery outlet. The AC and DC power cords are included. Now for some pros. It has a fridge-to-freezer versatility, 110-volt or 12-volt house-to-car compatibility, whisper quiet 45 dB compressor, internal LED light, technologically advanced temperature control. Now for a few cons. A 90-day limited warranty, R134A ozone and global warming friendly refrigerant, and 65 pounds without the food or beverage.